You say, or you ask, what do I do while I'm building my client list? How do I actually make some money while I'm still trying to establish myself? Great question. Uh, this is how I'd answer it. Do these side jobs, do these cleanouts, do these installs, do these detail works. It's kind of what is going to be the extra income, extra monies for your maintenance business. So while you have the opportunity, you can really dial in these enhancements. So what I'm getting at is you can do from as minuscule as it is as just changing out some mulch or adding rock or taking out rock, changing something that's already there. A lot of times landscape beds need to be cleaned out from pre-existing mulch or rock or whatever to replace with either something else or something new, or the same product. So this is the time where you work at these skills that are going to pay off and that you're going to continue to do. So you're kind of OJT, on the job training, learning this stuff. So take the opportunity of offering sod installs, resodding, mulching, all these other things, enhancements, while you have the time, while you're looking for these clients. A lot of these people that are looking for these extra stuff, don't be surprised, or when given the opportunity, hey, who does your regular maintenance? It's what I do. Prime opportunity to talk to your clients to say, or the person that signs you up to do an enhancement for their property. They may just need one clean out and that's it. They may take care of their property. But guess who they're going to call next year or in 6 months when they want to add mulch? You. And you better be in front of them to let them know or follow up with them of, hey, I will be in contact with you in 6 months so we can do it again. Okay. So you may only have 2 clients, and 2 clients is enough, but you may have a job 1 week of totally changing out their whole landscape bed, mulch or ground cover, what have you. So look at this time to really dial in your skills and learn. You'll learn so much: how to do it better, how to get rid of the waste to where you're not constantly touching things more than twice or more than once. That's big for me, is that if you're going to touch a plant, it better be real close to where the hole is that you're going to dig. You don't want to constantly be moving stuff and staging things. People coming up in their cars and you've staged the whole driveway with plants. Now you got to move them out of the driveway. So again, communication with the client. This is a whole side tangent, but communication is everything. You're a one-man operation, so you don't want to spend too much time and you want to do it efficient. So if you're looking for something to do, look at all these extra jobs that are available or projects on these people's property to do. And how are you going to do that? You're going to get in front of people's faces. Again, while you're walking the streets and passing out your information about what you do, let them know what you do. Don't expect them to read minds. No one does that. Let them know that what you're capable of doing. Okay, here's one argument people say, well, I don't have a truck to haul this stuff away. Here's 2 options right off the get-go. You can talk with a client. Hey, do you have street pickup for yard debris? Great. What's the max I can put out there? 6 bags? 6 bags it is. Or you can, I guarantee you drive around for a day, you're going to find somebody or some service, or Google it. There's an option. Google it on a dumpster drop-off delivery service. Okay, that's the cost of it. I'm not saying make any cost off of them, but say it's $200 for pickup delivery, 48 hours, whatever you may need it for. You throw all the debris in there and they haul it away. Put that in the cost, or get that cost straight to the client. You make money off the labor in it. These are all different. You got to start thinking on your toes of how you can do things. So you either haul it away, you either put it by the road within the city or county ordinance of what you can are allowable, or you have a roll-off dumpster service come in and take it away for you. So there's some options for you. When it comes to mulch, again, you may be driving around your 67 Capri and you don't have any room to bring a pallet of mulch. Okay, well, whoever's selling the mulch, they probably offer a delivery service. Okay, you give them the address, they give you what the delivery fee is and when it's going to be. You work that into the cost and they deliver it. Boom. That's it. You don't necessarily have to be there to sign for it. Maybe you are, maybe you aren't. That's details. Don't get caught up in that. Okay, there's all kinds of things. Most of the places that are selling these enhancement products of hardscape to plants and annuals, They have delivery services. They can get it to you. You will find a way. There may be just, you may have a buddy who can help you throw mulch that day, and he's got a truck and trailer. Hey, throw him a little bit, a bone or two, and then you get it done. So just think on your feet. Those are options that I know I've done. But bagging it, to throwing it in a dumpster, to putting it on the back of a truck and taking it to the nearest dump that takes that yard debris. That's an option. So again, 1 or 2 clients, don't fret. Oh, I only have 2 clients. Again, there's more money in the enhancement. So go after that particular type of work of the sod, removing a sod, or plants, or what it may be, tweaking some irrigation, tweaking some lighting. Don't get too far over your head. Do some research. Go on YouTube. Imagine that, YouTube. Go on YouTube. You can learn a lot there. And then the biggest way you'll learn it, because we all learn differently. I'm on the slower part of learning, but I can outwork most people. And my way of learning is going out there and doing it. I don't know this YouTube thing. That's why I'm on here. I'm learning it. I feel like I don't know how many videos I have on. This may be the 12th. I'm learning. I'm getting better. I feel like I'm getting better. I don't have a crowd of people going, good job, good job. I have to be the person that motivates me to get out there. What is my why? It's from a family, okay? Whatever your why is, again, as long as you're not going to jail over it, go for it, So, boy, I'm on tangents today. Getting a little sidetracked. Sorry about that. But just get it done. Learn what you can. And guess what? The bottom here, there's comments. Write something in there, whether you agree with this or don't agree with this or have a question. Or there's my email on there. Send me a question you may have. I'll be more than happy to help you out. That's what I'm here for, to help you out. Part-time lawn care business. How do you do it? The only thing that should be holding you back is the hours. We can't duplicate ourselves right now. And if you ask my wife, she doesn't want another one of me. But you only have so many hours, so make the best of it. And that's how you can do it. So hopefully this applies to you. Again, all of me here is telling you can do this. Just get out there, one property at a time. You'll grow your business by 100%. I think this is how the math works. If you get 2, okay? So that's what's so good about it. And then you just dial in, you tweak, you get better, whatever. Don't get caught up in all the big companies. You don't know their overhead. You don't want their headaches. Do what you can do. Go home to your family and call it a day. Hey, this is Darryl, Planter Project. Thanks so much for joining. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell for all notifications and give me a like. Leave me in the comments. Get in touch with me. I'm here for you. Go get it. We'll talk with you next time.